In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Beehiiv. First, open your web browser and head over to google.com. In the search bar at the top, type the word Beehiiv and press enter. Make sure you spell it with 2 I's because that's the official newsletter platform we're looking for. On the search results page, look for the result that says something like Beehiiv email marketing or Beehiiv all-in-one platform. This should be the official Beehiiv website. Go ahead and click on that link and it will take you to the Beehiiv homepage. Once you're on the homepage, look for the button that says sign up for free. This is usually easy to spot near the top of the page. Click that button to start creating your account. Beehiiv gives you 2 main ways to sign up. You can use your Google account or you can sign up with an email address. Both options work fine, but for this walkthrough, we'll use the email option so you can follow along even if you don't want to connect Google. On the sign up form, click into the email field and type in the email address you want to use for your Beehiiv account. Try to use an address you check regularly, since Beehiiv may send important updates and confirmations there. When you're done, click on the button that says continue with email. Next, you'll see fields to enter your first and last name. Type your name exactly as you'd like it to appear on your account, then move to the password field. Create a strong password that you haven't used on other sites. A good tip is to combine upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols so it's harder to guess. Below the password, you'll see a checkbox asking you to agree to the terms. Take a moment to review the terms if you'd like, then check the box to confirm that you agree. When all the fields are filled out and the box is checked, click the button that says Get Started with Beehiiv. The site will create your account and then show you a welcome or onboarding screen. On this screen, you'll see another button labeled Get Started. Click that to move into your new Beehiiv dashboard and begin exploring your newsletter setup.